BioSignals installation instructions. Let's open browser and go to the website biosignals.co.il. As a result, we will get a very simple page with two buttons. Let's go to English system and let's click on the software download. Now we need to confirm to keep this file, as this file is okay. Let's wait for the download to finish. It will take some time. Yeah, we need to wait. I don't want to stop now the video and then start again, etc., etc. It's not too long, and it's better to be accurate when doing this kind of demonstration. Okay, I will go to show in folder. This is the file biosignals.zip. Double click on this and I will run it from here. I will do double click and let's follow step by step the installation. I will click on install and then I will click OK to this message, and then I will click on agree, install, and if it's already installed, close, agree again, install, if it's already installed, closed. Now extract and next. I accept, next, and finish. This one I will click install. It's okay because I already have it, and then I will close it. BioSignals installed successfully. Okay, finished. As a result, we can see here three new icons: BSS, BioSignals, and BS Training. These are the three applications that installed as a result of this installation running. See you in the next video.